In this video tutorial, we're going to have an easy breezy ukulele jam session. We're going to play Me and Bobby McGee. This is a classic song written by the late Kris Kristofferson, made famous by Janis Joplin and her amazing band, Big Brother and the Holding Company. This jam is really straightforward. It's just 4 chords. There's 1 key change. I'll be showing you the lyrics and the chords right here on the screen as we play along. If you want to go deeper into the strumming rhythms and also learn some cool country licks, things that you can put into this jam, check the links down below. Join the Ukulele Zen community and get bonus content each and every month. Let's get started with the G major chord and a brief overview of the groove I'm going to be playing. Now, as we play, I'm going to be doing this boom chuck strum. Thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum. Now, you can strum along with whatever feels comfortable to you, but this boom chuck strum really has a nice drive and it's common to bluegrass, country, folk, and many other styles. In a nutshell, what you're doing is plucking, strumming, plucking, strumming, and then you can also put 8th note strums by going down and up. Nice steady drive. If you'd like to go deeper into this groove, also learn some great solo licks and have a vocal tutorial for this tune, check the links down below. There's bonus content waiting for you as a member of the Ukulele Zen community. Each and every month I create bonus content for enthusiastic learners like you. I hope you enjoy playing along with this song. It's going to be easy to follow. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what songs you'd like me to teach you in future videos. Ready to jam? Let's do it. First note. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train, but I was feeling nearly faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed the diesel down just before it rained, rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Them windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand. We sang every song that driver knew. Freedom is just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing ain't worth nothing, but it's free. Feeling good was easy low when he sang the blues. Yo, feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. Key change. From the Kentucky coal mines to the California sun, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, everything we done. Yeah, Bobby, baby, get me from the cold. One day at Salinas, Lord, I let her slip away. She been looking for that home, I hope she finds it. Well, I trade all my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom is just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, and that's all that Bobby left me. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues, and feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. La da da, la da la, da 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 da, la la la, da 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 da, la da 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 da, Bobby McGee. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, Bobby McGee. La da la, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Hey, my Bobby, oh my Bobby McGee, yeah. Lo 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 la, lo 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 la. Hey, my Bobby, oh my Bobby McGee, yeah. I said I'll call her my lover, call her my woman, I'll call her my lover, did the best I can now. Hey, my Bobby now, hey, my Bobby McGee, yeah. Lo 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 lo. Hey hey hey, Bobby McGee. Just a simple, easy breezy jam. I hope you enjoyed playing along with us. Thanks so much for tuning in. Check right here for another fun jam session. Look forward to seeing you in another video.